guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Priyanka Pawar, and guys, in today's video we will be learning how to edit a video. So I'll be taking you through all the secrets of editing, like what application do I use, how I import, how I compile, how to add transitions, how to add music, text, how to record and everything. Before starting the video, I would like you guys to take a moment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it, and please press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So yes guys, let's begin now. Guys, this is the application which I use to edit all my videos, be it a YouTube video, be it an Instagram video or a reel. And guys, if you're looking for an application which is easy to operate and gives you a professional kind of editing, then yeah, this is the application. You can download this on your phone and it's super easy to use. So the best part about this application is that it gives you a professional level of editing and all the tools are super easy to use. So guys, let me take you through all the tools and all the details about this application. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, once you open the application, this screen will appear. So on the very left hand side, you can see a small icon, and that is a kineMaster asset store. From there, you can get the premium assets. Then you have this plus button. From there, you can start a new project. A pop-up window will appear asking for you to choose a ratio of your project. So if you are doing a YouTube video, you can choose 16:9. If you are doing an Instagram video, you can go for 9:16, and if you are doing a video for your feed, then you can choose the ratio 1:1. Now on the right side, you can see all my saved projects. So if I want to re-edit in any of the project, I can go and do it. Guys, as we are doing a YouTube video here, so we will select the ratio 16:9. So this is the interface of the application, guys. And on the left hand side, we have like undo options, redo options, settings. We can change the pattern of timeline, and we can take even the screenshot of the screen. On the right side, then we have options to import a video, add an audio, do recording, and add layers, text and whatnot. So also we have a kineMaster asset store and a play button. So guys, right in the center there's a black screen, so all your videos will be played over there, and below that we have our timeline. So let's now import the video. So to import a video, you need to click the media button. It will take you to your gallery. So from there, you can choose the desired video that you wish to edit. So I'm choosing my video here. So this is the video I'm choosing, and this will appear on my timeline. It will look something like this. Despite of dragging it this way, we have a shortcut. You can click on this button and select move to beginning. So this will take you directly to the starting point of the video. To further edit the video, guys, you need to click on the video. So once you click on the video, this yellow box will appear which will show you that your video is selected, and these tools, these options will pop up. So from there, you can trim or split your video, you can zoom in or zoom out, you can increase the volume, decrease the volume, or mute your video. You can add any filter if you wish to add. You can increase the speed or decrease the speed and make it a slow motion. You can reverse the video. You can add clip graphics. You can add adjustment. Guys, so the very first thing that I do when I start editing is I mute my entire video. So for this, you need to click on the video, go to that mixer volume button and click that volume button so the video will be muted. So now we are playing the video so that we get to know what we have to keep in the video, what not. So we'll get to know what exactly we have to trim. So now we'll be trimming our video. So for this, you need to select the video and keep the playhead at a position where you want to trim, cut or split the video. So then I'll be selecting this trim and split option. These options will appear, and from these options I'll be selecting split at the playhead. So this will cut my video into two halves where currently my playhead is. If you want to delete a particular part, you can select that part, and in the left hand side you have a delete button. So if you click that, the video will be deleted. When I'm showing the product, I want a close-up view of it. So for this, I will be zooming it. I'll be selecting the option pan and zoom. So I will first set my start position and will then press this equal button, which is right next to that. so that my start position and end position will be same, and this will happen automatically if I press that equal button right there. We generally have to compile our video and bring it to 1 minute or 2 minutes or maximum 5 minutes. So this is how much length we keep usually. So for this you need to sometimes speed up some process and sometimes you slow down also, so that your products look more clear or something like that. For this you need to select the clip and go to the speed option, and you can increase the speed and decrease the speed as per your requirement. So guys, let's now talk about layers. So the layer on which we are currently working on is a first layer. So we can add a second layer of text and then an image or a video and things like that. When we click on that layer option, so we have all these options. So we can add a media, any file, any photo, any video if you wish to add. Then we can add any effect, we can add any text, we can add any stickers and handwriting. Now let's add text to our video. So we'll be selecting this text option and this window will pop up. Now you can write whatever you want to write. So here I'm writing primer because I'm using a primer over here. So yes, I'll be adjusting the size of this text how much I want to. Then I have to click on the second layer which we have formed to do the further changes to this text. So we'll click on that second layer and these options will pop up. So now we can change the font, whatever font we have so many fonts over there. We can select it and we can choose our font. After selecting the font, we can choose the color. You can select the color option and choose any color which you wish to add to your text. So here I'm choosing pink color and I just want a box around this text too. So I'll be going down and selecting this background. So I'll enable it and I will choose the color over here. I'll be choosing white. Okay, so this is how it is looking. I'm not kind of satisfied with how this looks, so I'll be changing the text color. I've changed the text color to black. See, now it is clearly visible. So with this text you can do so many things. You can increase the size or decrease the size of it. You can add animations to it, like how this text will appear and how this text will disappear, and you can adjust the opacity of it. Like if you want to decrease it, you can decrease it from here. If you want to increase it, you can keep it maximum, whatever you feel like. So in animation would be like how your text will appear. So there's so many options like fade, pop, slide left, slide right, and so many. So what I personally like is letter by letter. It seems like somebody is writing for you and I really loved it. So I'm selecting letter by letter over here. Then we can choose our out animation too. So for out animation, what I really love is fade away. So your text is just simply fading away when it is disappearing. So I really love that. If you wish to add transition to your video, so you can click this plus icon between two videos. So if you click on that, all the transitions will open up. So the first few transitions are of the premium version if you have a paid version of the app, but we will today work on the free transitions. So I'm going to this transition and just checking in which fits best for me. So you can select whichever you like the most, but transition really gives an amazing effect to the video. Sometimes we don't film in the right light, so we need to adjust few of our lighting settings, brightness settings, and then our contrast and everything. For this, you can click on this adjustment button and there will be so many options available. So from here, you can adjust your brightness, you can adjust your contrast, you can adjust your saturation, temperature, hue, and everything. So just select the numbers, whatever setting you want to do, and don't worry guys, you don't have to do this thing for every single clip. You can set the numbers and you can go down and choose the option apply to all. So this will be applied to all of your videos and images. To add the music to your video, you can select this audio option, and there are so many options coming. So you can take the music from their asset store, or you can put any recorded version of music, or you can go to this internal folder and all the saved music in your playlist will appear here. So I'm choosing a music from here, and this is the music that I have chosen. You can increase the volume of this music up to 200, and but the music then gets so loud, that's why I don't prefer doing it. So you can decrease it also when you have to like keep the background music, like a little bit of sound in the background, and voice over the video. So you can use this feature at that time. Guys, let's now learn how to record an audio. So for this, click on this recording button, and then you have this option coming. So you can start, and you can start saying it, recording will start, and then there will be a stop button. If you press the stop button, the recording will stop. So then you have to click on this tick mark so that your audio gets saved. So guys, this is a recording I did. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Priyanka Pawar, and in today's video, so yes guys, this is how we record an audio. Now let's export it. So click on that arrow button, and then make it a high quality video and click on the export button. So your video will start exporting. It will take some time depending upon how long your video is. I hope you guys like this video, and if you find the video useful, so don't forget to like the video, and guys, please share it with your friends who are struggling with editing. If you still have queries, you can write it down in the comment section below, and I would be happy to answer. So until my next video, bye bye.